Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we will learn lesson 18. He often does this. Okay, sağolashlar, yaxshimisizlar? Misol bizniki bugungi yangi o'quv inglizda ikkinchi qism sin darsligimizda 18-dars he often does this degan shu darsni o'rganmoqchi. Avval bizniki shu burungi an'anamiz bo'yicha, shu burungi qoidamiz bo'yicha shu ilgirki darslarga intayin muhim bo'lgan nuqtalarni bir takrorlab chiqaylik. Xo'sh, shams qaranglar. Match the word to the picture. Okay. Misol shu so'zlarni mishan chiqib qotgancha, shu rasmga bir tutashtirib beringlar, savollashlar. Birinchisi nima ekan? Appear deydi. Okay, appear deganimiz nimada? Okay, appear. Okay, and appear deganimiz nima desanglar? Shu paydo bo'lmoq, ko'rinmoq, shunami? Endi bu yerga appear degan shu sanada paydo bo'lmoq, sanada chiqmoq degan gap, shunami? Mana sanada qanaqda appear, shunami? Undaqda sahna, shu sahna stage deymiz, shunami? Stage deganda nahoshiya nima desanglar? Stage. Stage deganimiz nima? Sahna. And a bright posture. Bright. Okay, bright degan olchu. Bright deganimiz hamda yo'ruq degan gap, bright. Demak shu sahna qanaqadan aytdi yo'ruq. Masalan, this classroom is also very bright. What about stalking? Stalking uzun paypoq. Qaysi? Okay, stalking, you know, that one is stalking. Socks. Where's socks? Socks? Yeah. That one is socks. Yaxshi. That one is socks. Ondan keyin bright deganimiz nima? Ochiq, masalan, bright color, ochiq rangli, tushunami? Ondan keyin orange color. Now the orange color. Yeah. That one is orange color. Demakchi, juz rang, oqlisin rang degandek. Demak, endi bu yerga so'zlarga appear, stage, bright, stalking, socks, orange color. Hush. And then we put the tick next to the contact. Correct sentence. Sorry. And we should to'g'ri jumlaga to'g'ri belgisi qo'yib qo'yamiz. Masalan, you must do your homework carefully. Siz jo'qim topshiriqingizni yaxshi ishlashingiz kerak. And you have to do your homework carefully. And we have to, must. Oldin qatim nuqtasini o'rgangan, must deganimiz nima desanlar? Birga o'zingni ishchingizdan chiqarib, o'zimiz xohlab turib, hamda shu mana qilish kerak deganda must. Undan istab hamda ma'lum bir buyruq shaklidagi mana qilishingiz kerak, mana qilmasangiz bo'lmaydi, mana qilish ma'ni qilindi deyish vaqti, shunaqa mustni ishlatib tushunami? Ammo have to deganimiz nima desanglar? Bu bo'latma sirtqi muhitdanki bizni majburlash aslida. Garchi o'zimiz xohlamsaqmi, faqat qilmasa bo'lmaydigan ishlarni deymiz, have to ishlatdik. And say you must do your homework. You have to do your homework carefully. Albatta, you must. And the boshqalarga masalan bunday qilsangiz kerak deb hamda shu tariqada deganda nima? You must do your homework carefully. Carefully degan astoydil degan gap. Masalan, I have to sing a song for every day. I must sing a song for every day. And the ma'noda ma'risim qarasak nima? I have to. Okay, I have to deganimiz qanday? Maskal demakchi, o'zi qattiq naqsha etqisi yo'q bichorning, lekin aytmas bo'lmagan. Demak shunaqa majbur bo'lgan. Qilmas faqat bo'lmagan. Shu nima? I have to sing a song for everybody. Oh, sorry, every day. Everybody. For everybody. Ko'pchilikka shunami? And the king said, I must finish work today and I had to finish work yesterday. Qaysi to'g'ri? I must finish work today. Men tugatishim kerak. Shunami? Demak ham o'zi qilish kerak degandek. Xo'sh, hamda lesson 18 he often does this. U doim shunday qiladi. Okay. Kim shunday qilganda? Ishtmidi, odammidi, nimidi? Qaranglar. So now some people are in the bar. Patrick's, describe the things you can see and what people are doing in it. Go back to talk about it again after, grammar folks have phrase. Agar misallaşım o'sha resim qarab hamda bu resimlarda nimalar bor ekan, aniq ko'radigan bo'lsanglar. Onun ekandan kishilar nima ish qilib o'tibdi, shunga bir diqqat qilib boqinglar. Endi bu resim qarsak, bu nima bar, okay, endi bir meyxonada yoki nima deymiz? Bar deganimiz endi tamoq qizalinadigan, masalan, aroq piyib ichirgan nima deymiz? Bar, ya'ni pub yoki public house, endi oshxona desak bo'lishadimi? Hamda buni shu grammar focus thinking bir to'xtalsak, andaqda bugungi darsimizning nima? New words, yangi so'zliklar. Biz qaranglar, bu yangi so'zlikda nima? It's a place for people to drink and have fun in. Okay, nima u bo'lsa bir kishilarniki bir narsa ichadigan, demakchi aroq demak. Tushunami? Aroq ichadigan, hamda shu yerda bir have fun, bir ko'ngil ochadigan bir o'rni. Bu nima deymiz? Pub. Okay, pub. Pub deganimiz nima desanglar? Public house. Tushunami? Public house. Shuningki qisqartirilsa, public ommaviy house degan nima desanglar? Uy. Ommaviy uy demakchi shu kishilarniki kelib, mana bu aroq ichib, ormeli, mana bir ko'ngil ochib bir o'tirib parangish qilgan shu pub deymiz. Shunaqa yoki meyxona deb qo'yamiz odatda. Pub. And who is the owner here? And the owner degan egisi shunami? And who is the owner here, especially in pub? And which pub deki kim egisi kim bo'lsa adashdan? You know, he is owner of the pub. Shunaqo? And bu resimdagi odam nima desanglar, bu shuningki egisi. Yoki nima deymiz? Pub landlord. Ma land deganimiz yer, lord. Demak shu yerning egisi, yerning egidori. Tushunami? Pub landlord. Demak endi u bo'lsa, shu meyxonniki nimasi? Egisi. Pub landlord. Landlord. Okay, I don't have any money. Okay, meniki pulim yo'q. Sorry, sir, you have to pay your bill. Anyway, mening pulim yo'q desa, kechirmayapman, you have to pay your bill. And misharak bill deganimiz nima desanglar? A piece of paper that shows how much you owe somebody for service. Siz shu bunga qanchalik pul to'laydiganligini talon, tushunami? Bill deganimiz shu taloni. Okay. And pay the bill bo'lsa nima? Pay somebody's bill yoki pay the bill. Demak shu talonga shu qanday qilish? Pul to'lash. Pay the bill bo'lsa shuni maydan qilmoq. Tushunami? Yoki hisobot qilmoq, pul to'lamak degan gap. Bill deganimiz nima bo'ldi? Shu yerda talon. Shu qancha pul to'layotganligingizni chiqarib turgan kichik talon varaqcha berib, shuni bill deymiz. Pay degan to'lamak. Pay the bill. Shu hisobot qilmoq. Tamoq yeb qilib qanday qilishimiz kerak? We need to pay the bill. Agar ham to'layolmasanglar qanday qilsizlar? Okay. Andaqda biz shu bugungi darsimizdan keyin tekstga qaraylik. Endi tekstda intayin qiziqarli bo'lgan bir nima bor. Complete the conversation with a proper form of the have. Mushniki muhabbat how shakli bilan to'ldirib qo'yinglar savollashlar. Xo'sh, ham to'ldirishdan burun endi buningga bir anglash qismi bor. Anglash qismini ko'ngil qo'yib bir anglab etsanglar, anglagandan keyin endi mush tekstimizni tafsiliy bir to'xtalsak.
Lesson 18. He often does this. First listen and then answer the question. What had happened to the writer's bag? After I had had lunch at a village pub, I looked for my bag. I had left it on a chair beside the door, and now it wasn't there. As I was looking for it, the landlord came in. Did you have a good meal? He asked. Yes, thank you, I answered, but I can't pay the bill. I haven't got my bag. The landlord smiled and immediately went out. In a few minutes, he returned with my bag and gave it back to me. I'm very sorry, he said. My dog had taken it into the garden. He often does this.
Okay. Amsa qaranglar. Mana have-ning o'xshamagan shakli bilan to'ldirib olsak, masalan, after I had had lunch at a village pub, I looked for my bag. Okay, endi mana jumla qarasak, birisi nima desam had. Bu nima o'tgandan. Demak, qaysi bo'ldi yuz berdi? Mening somkamni izlashim boshqa yuz berdi. Bu yoki tamoq yeb bo'lishim boshqa yuz berdi. Albatta, tamoqni yeb bo'lishim boshqa yuz berdi. Demak, endi mana had o'tgan. Bu nima o'tgani. Demek siz ma'lum bir o'tgan zamonda ma'lum bir ish qilishdan burun, uningdan burun o'rinlib qo'yishlar. Demak, men avval tamoq yeb bo'lib, undan keyin qana qilib somkamni izladim. After I had lunch at the village pub, I looked for my bag. Shunami? Masalan, buni tushunsak, men tunugun uyga borgan vaqtimda apamalla burun tamoq yetib bo'libdi ekan. Demak, sizlarni uyga berishinglar o'tgan zaman, apamning tamoq yetib bo'lsa, sizlar uyga berishdan burun bitib bo'lgan. Demakcha, o'tgan ma'lum bir vaqtdan burun o'rinlib bo'lgan ishlar bo'lib qolsa, o'sha had done shaklini ishlatamiz. Oldingi had keladi, keyingi nima desanglar, shu fe'llarning 3-xil shakli, past participle, go'cha fins shakli keladi. Had. Demakchi, men tamoq yeb bo'lgandan keyin demak, avval tamoq yedim, undan keyin qana qildim? Somkamni izladim. I had left it on a chair beside the door. Now it wasn't there. Okay. Nima desanglar? Men uni qo'yib qo'ygandim. It wasn't there. Demakchi, u yo'qolib ketishdan burun tilashni qo'yib qo'ygan. Demakchi, o'tgani. I had left it on the chair beside the chair and now it wasn't there. And there yo'q. Allah bir yo'q ko'rdim degan. Yet as I was looking for it, the landlord came in. Demak, as was doing the o'tgan davomlashayotgan men izlayotgan vaqtimda a landlord degan shu pubningki egisi yana kirib keldi. Did you have a good meal? He asked. Oy, shunday yaxshi tamoq yedingizmi? He asked. Yes, thank you. Voy, rahmat, I answered, but I can pay the bill. Biroq men hisobot qilolmayman. Pay the bill abay ko'rib pay bill deganimiz shu talon yoki shuni hisobotlarga ashxonada tamoq yegan bo'lsanglar, bir varaq qog'oz ekib turib, siz bugun lag'ma yedingiz, so'ma yedingiz, uni yedingiz, buni yedingiz, so'mmingiz ming qo'y deb sizga bir varaq ekib turib, shu nima bill, talon, qog'oz. Pay the bill degan shu hisobot qilmoq, shu pul to'lamak hech degan narsa. Nima? I haven't got my bag. Mening somkam yo'q. Turdu desa. The landlord smiled and immediately went out. Uning egisi kulimsirab darrov sirtga ketdi. In a few minutes he returned with a bag and gave it back to me. Bir necha minutlar u qaytib kirib, hamda somkamni qaytarib berdi. I'm very sorry, he asked. My bag had taken into the garden. He often does this. Okay. My dog had taken into. Demakchi, shu ish bo'lishdan burun u echirib ketgan. Nega echirib ketgan? Gullikka. U doim shunaqa qiladi deydi. Xo'sh, answer. Qaranglar. Read and choose one possible answer, then find out it's right. Answer 30 sekund vaqt berasizlar, bir o'qiytinglar. O'qanaylar aslaylar. Kitobni bo'lsin, har qatam dedim, kitobni yana bo'lsin. Okay. Another. Did the writer have lunch at the village pub? Okay, did the writer have lunch at the village pub? Yes or no? Of course, yes. Yes, he had lunch at a village pub. Was his bag still there? Onun somkisi aşağıda mı ken valla? No, the bag wasn't there. Onun somkisi u yerda emas ken. And who came in and as a writer was looking for the bag? A landlord, B dog, I don't know. Kim kirdi? Of course, landlord. Shu do'konga egisi kirdi. So what did the writer say to landlord? And bu do'kon xo'jayiniga nimdiri? Aptur. I can pay the bill. Men pul to'layman. I haven't got my bag. I can pay the bill. Oh, men to'layman. Qaysindiri? Of course, A. I can't pay the bill. I haven't got my bag. Okay. Did the landlord smile and immediately go out? Yeah, he did, right? So who soon found the writer's bag? Who found it? Kim topdi degan demak, the landlord, right? So where had his dog taken it? Nega kirib ketdi albatta nima desanglar, gardenga kirib ketdi. Tushunami? So what happened to his bag? Uning somkisi nima bo'ldi? The thief stole it. or landlord's dog took it. Okay. And nobody stole it, right? Stole again, steal deganni o'tgan zaman shakli o'g'irlamoqni. O'g'irlamadi, faqat nima desanlar, shu olib turning ishdi, uni qanday qilib ketibdi, akirib ketibdi. Complete the conversation with an expression. Qaranglar. Masalan, landlord debdi. Okay. My dog had taken it into the garden. Okay. And then what name is? İkinci cümle, yeah, thank you, but I can't pay the bill. And then niye ki bir tane soruşuna niye soraydı desenler şu B. Did you have a good meal? I have a good meal dediğimiz hem de şu sınayet bir tamaktan demekçe hem de have a good meal dediğimiz hem de mesela şu tamaktan bir huzurlandınız mı? Bir tamakni yaxshi yediniz mi? Bir yaxshi bo'pti o tamak desa, oh thank you demekçe ahvol so'g'an deganman, thank you. Nima? See, I haven't got my bag. Lekin mening so'mkam qanaqda yo'qdir edi. Okay. So nima? But I can pay the bill. Pay the bill. I haven't got my bag. In a few minutes, he returned with the bag. Landlord, I'm very sorry. My dog had taken it to the garden. Uni mening ishtim echirib ketibdi. Xo'sh, endi mana shu bugungi darsimizdan intayam muhim bo'lgan language focus qaraylik. Buni qarasak nima desanlar, I had it on the left it on the chair beside the door and now it wasn't there. Endi mishadagi left deganimiz nima desanlar, sağlashlar. He left his bag on the bus yesterday. Okay, and the left degan hamda qo'yib qo'ymoq. Qolib qolmoq shunami? O tunugun so'mkasini avtobusdan o'stirib qo'yibdi. Demak, leave degan hamda ehtiyotsizlikdan unutib bir qo'yib qo'yash yoki tushib qolish degan gap. Okay, tushib qolish. Buni o'tgan zaman shakli left. Masalan, he left his bag on the bus yesterday. O tunugun so'mkasini avtobusda qolib qolibdi shunami? And masalan, left on bir narsadan ustirib qilib qilish, left in bir narsadan ishtirib qilib qilish, left at bir kichik o'rinlar qilib qilish. Masalan, left at the restaurant degandek. Left in on a chair bo'lsa nima desanlar? Shu nima deb qo'yish? Chair nimada? And beside the door and now it wasn't there. And misharaga beside deganimiz nima desanlar? Bir narsaniki yenida. Ma bir degan bo'lmoq, side degan tarafda bir tarafida bo'lmoq. Shu yenida bo'lash. Shunami? Masalan, can you see a boy standing beside the tree? Oh, daraxtdan yenib turgan o'g'il bolani ko'rdingizmi? Can you see a boy standing beside the tree? Adamda beside the tree daraxtning yenida. Sapanglar mening uyim maktabning yerida. Masalan, my house, yoki my home is beside the school. Okay, yaxshi. Sapanglar mushu vokzalning yenida bir teatrxona bor. Masalan, there is a theater beside the station. Beside the station. Endi bu yerga beside deganimizning besides asqatilsa nima desanlar, din tashqari, din boshqa desanlar degan gap. Masalan, besides this photograph, I have a number of others. Endi bu suratdan boshqa yana menda yana bir necha suratlar bor. Demakchi besides. Okay, besides. And beside deganimiz yanada masalan beside the door, beside the window, beside the station degan. Okay, and the king said in a few minutes he returned with my bag and gave it back to me. Mening so'mkam bilan qaytib kirdi hamda uni men qanday qilib qaytib berdi. Endi mishariki men give nurg'un masalan turaqliq iboralar bor savoldoshlar. Masalan, give off good smell, give out the food, give me back my dad, and never give up, give away a gift, and give in degandek. Andaqda bularni qarab qaranglar, bularning nimasi bor? Birinchisi, this is not your money and you must give it back. And give something back deganimiz qaytarmoq. Shu igisiga qanday qilish? Qaytarib berish. Demak, bu sizning pulungiz emas, shunga qanday qilishingiz kerak? Uni igisiga qaytarib berishingiz kerak. Tamam? And we have 1,000 CDs to give away to our readers. And we are give away deganimiz nima desanglar sovg'at qilish, inam qilish, tamam? Give away, berib o'tish, sovg'a qo'yish, tamam? And then she gave up her job and started writing poetry. And then gave up deganimiz voz kechmak. O o'zininki xizmatini tashlab, qanday qildi? O'zininki she'riyat yozish ishlarini qanday qildi? Boshladi. Masalan, teacher gave out the examination paper. And then gave out deganimiz ham demishadi, taqatmak degan gap. Gave out the examination paper. Muallim bizga imtihon nimani? Imtihon qog'ozini taqatdi. And they give off bo'lsa, okay, and the food give off the bad smell, and the bu yemeklik toza yaxshi bo'lmagan puraq chiqarib o'tadi. Taqatmak chiqarmak degan gap. And they give in bo'lsa nima? Give in, masalan, he can continue fighting, he will soon give in. O cho'qim qanday qildi? Taslim bo'ldi. Give in, taslim bo'lmoq degan gap. O davomliq. Continue degan davomliq nima? Fighting degan urishamaydi. O davomliq unda urishamaydi. O cho'qim qanday qildi? Uzoq pat yaqinda voz kechdi yoki shuni qanday qildingiz? Taslim bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamsam o'sha give in, give up, give away, give back deganni to'ldirib berganlar qaranglar. Masalan, he often books to his classroom. And he often gives away books to his classmates. Okay. O daim and shu savodashlarga kitob so'q qiladi o'shnami? Kitob men beradi. Masalan, at last he had to give in to his parents and did as his parents told him to do. Oxiri u ota-onasiga taslim bo'ldi hamda ota-onasining nim degan gapi bo'yicha shu bo'yicha qilim desa shu bo'yicha qildi dedi. Did as his parents told him to. Degani bo'yicha qanday qildi? Ish qildi. Demak, give in, taslim bo'lmoq, give away, bermak so'qmoq, shundami? Being poor, the young man gave up going to college. Demak, namrat bo'lish sababidan bu yosh yigit qanday qildi? Oliy maktabga o'qishdan qanday qildi? Voz kechdi. Give up qildi. Give up qildi. Uniki nima? Did you the book to me? Did you give back the book to me? And the one kitobni qaytarib bering. I lent it to you last month. Men o'tgan oyda sizga aytib berib qo'ygan. Okay, shunami? And don't so easily keep trying till you succeed. And don't give up so easily. Why unchola asan voz kechmang. Keep trying till you succeed. Taksiz muvaffaqiyat qozonguncha qanday qiling? To'xtamay tirishing. Keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. Never give up. Never give up. And don't give up. Okay, and shu bugungi darsimizning grammatik nuqtasi qaranglar. And bu grammatik nuqtasida qaranglar. Shu have-ningki ishlatilsa. Have-ningki ishlatilsa. And have deganimiz masalan have done yoki has done. And then own ego makna masalan I have some money. Dazra pul bashnawa. Yana have degani enjoy shuningda huzurlanmak, eat, yemak, drink, ichmak, take deganimiz nima desam, ammoq, receive, topshirib olmoq deb nurg'un ma'nolar bor. Xo'sh, hamsa shu I have niki yana hech qilmaysiz qarab qo'yganlar. Masalan, I haven't seen him this morning. Men bu ertaga uni ko'ra boqmadim. Endi mana shunday manchangni keltirsanlar, bu grammatik shakli shunaqa. And then I didn't call him because I had lost her telephone number in America. Okay, I didn't call him. Because I had lost her telephone number in America. I had lost. Okay, all these had lost. After my sister had dinner at a restaurant, she went shopping. Okay, do you have any stamps? Stamps, pochta markasi. Demek endi have degan bar, ega olmak degan. Do you have? And the other have have got. Nama. Mesela have you got any stamps? The second buldu. Mesela do you have any stamps? Degan orada. Yani have you got any stamps? Have you got any stamps? And the have neyki and bir aniq ma'no o'z şey olgan nim bo'lganda did you have lunch? Nashta qildingiz, yo'q tamoq yedingizmi? Tushlik tamoqni. Eat degan gap. Masalan, would you like to have a cup of coffee? And the ma'no drink degan gap. Sizning bir stakan qahva ichgingiz bormi? Masalan, did you have nice holiday? And the ma'no enjoy. Yani demek şu huzurlanmak, şu zo'qlanmak, xushal o'ynamak degan gap hamda. Siz bayramni ayt xushal o'tkazdingizmi? Tamam. Have a walk, have a talk, have a rest deganimiz. Masalan, have a shower, have a cigarette degan hamda shu take bilan o'xshash bo'ladi. Have a walk, shu piyoda sayr qilmoq. Have a talk, paranglashmoq. Have a rest, oramonmoq. Have a shower, okay, munchuq tushmak. Have a cigarette, tamoq chekmak. Demak hamda have nurg'un ma'nosi bor ekan hamda. Masalan, have you had a letter from Tom yet? And the other have not received that man's topshirib olmadingiz. Tomni bir xat topshirib oldingizmi? Yes, I had a letter from him yesterday. O tunigan undan taxana qildim, xat topshirib oldim. So, did you have a nice holiday? Okay, and the misharga did you have a nice holiday? Nima desanlar, which have yana nima desanlar o'z ichiga okay, ma'no bor. Did you have Did you have a good meal? The boss asked. Demek hamda have deganimizdan shu huzurlanmak. Hamda buni savol shakli qilsanlar bu shu haqiqiy ma'noni o'ziga olgan jumlalar savol shakli. Did you have yoki do you have degandek. Xo'sh, siz mashq qilinglar. Qarasanglar, we had dinner at a restaurant last night. Biz tunugun shu restoranda, bir restoranda qanday qilib tamoq yedik. Demek endi miyarga had deganimiz nima desanlar, amaliy ma'nosi va shu yemek degan. Endi buni savolga aylantirib qanaqa qilib tutsanlar, yordamchi fe'l did keladi, tushunami? Okay, endi nima? Did you have dinner at a restaurant last night? And keyingi Frank has a shower every morning. Endi ma'noda cho'da desanlar, does Frank have a shower every morning? Endi miyarga have deganimiz munchuq tushmak uchun maqsadmi? Yet our teacher has got many books in his study. Okay, and the Madison has got, and the miyarga has degan grammatical qurilmasi hozir. Buni savolga aylantirsak albatta has oldirib chiqsak bo'ldi. Masalan, has your teacher got many books in the library? In his study, in his uniki nimasi desanlar qiraatxonasi. U qiraatxonasida hamda jiq kitob bormi degan gap bo'ldi. And the keyingisi qarasak, Jane has already had lunch. Okay. And the miyarga has already had. Ma'u shandaman chana shakli. Bu shandaman chana savolga aylansa, hasni oldiga chiqib qo'ysak ham qana bo'ldi desanlar, savolga aylantirdi. And the miyarga already degan bo'lishlik jumlada, and the yet deganimiz jo'da desanlar inkor jumla keldi. Shu yet. And the Frank and Jane always have a walk before breakfast. And the miyarga how a walk. Bu nima desanlar, amaliy ma'nosini bildirib keldi o'shanalar. Shunga do Frank and Jane always have a walk before breakfast? Shuna ma'amdu degandek.